Hey guys, so I started running this last night. It's been maybe 7 hours, and we can see the water gathering there at the bottom. You can see how it's wrapped almost all the way around, kind of starting there and coming up around this side. So we've got all that water already at the bottom, which is just crazy. It's really cool to see it work. So the air comes in the back side of this and then comes out the top, and then it just kind of pulls out any moisture. Here you have a night light on here that's like multicolor and changes color, so you can use that if you want, but you can have that on or off. I think it cycles through 7 different colors. And then right here you have a 4-hour timer and an 8-hour timer, and you just turn that off if you want. So I didn't have mine on a timer, I just have it running. Anyway, pretty cool to see that. There is a little indicator light here to let you know if the reservoir needs to be emptied. Anyway, I really like it, and it's pretty cool to see it work. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.